This is Jordan.
If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Nice to meet you, bro. No, it's all good. What'd you get me? Shit, I just want to talk to y'all. I didn't even know what I wanted to say. Hey.
That's not my thing.
Yeah, it was great meeting you.
Yeah, great meeting you too.
Okay, Jordan. 1 year later, fucking killing it. How was today?
It was great. Today was great. I was complaining.
I don't even think we need to make a conclusion.
It definitely, the day spoke for itself, for sure.
Okay, so you can see shit, but Jordan was gonna go talk to this girl, and randomly this guy started talking to her, so Jordan is basically waiting for his turn.
Yo, that's funny. He did the same thing I was about to do.
Okay, I can give you my Instagram.
I just want to know your name, though. What's up?
Oh.
Nice to meet you. I'm Jordan. You mind if I sit here real quick? No, it's all good. What'd you get me?
I didn't get you nothing.
Not even water? Say don't be intimidated by beautiful women. Yeah, I don't know any French except oui. But I know some French rappers though. So who do you listen to? Put me on. Like I need some new rappers.
I have a French playlist. So
Yeah, maybe you can send it to me.
I have 3 person. Maybe you have like a plug. You know.
A plug for what?
For phone.
Oh, you need a new one? What? Is it an 11? What's wrong with it?
3%. I thought.
Oh, that kind of plug. Oh yeah, no, I don't. Even the best of us, you see somebody who's just gorgeous, you're like, damn, like. It blinds you, yeah, it blinds you and it makes you want to shrink. Let me get you on Instagram.
Do you have a car?
Yeah, I got a car.
If I pay you, can you drive me back?
Damn, I wish I could, but I didn't drive down here. My car's in the shop right now. It's crazy. I definitely would drive you though. We can take a Uber together though if you want.
No, but that's good. I'm gonna walk. I'm just lazy.
All right. It was great meeting you. Let me do like a kiss the hand or something. I want to hug you. All right. You want this? We can go when you get back. I'll keep it. Bye. If you wasn't here, I would have been there all day. Lucky my car's at the shop. I would have told Ruben, sorry Ruben, we gotta cut this early.
Great first interaction, huh?
Yeah, it was great.
You can see that some progress has been made.
For sure. Hey, are you on the phone? I think she was on the phone, but she looked at me and started walking faster. I was like, okay.
I feel like you anticipated too much the moment, you know. I felt that by starting with, are you on the phone? I feel like the reason you're saying this is because you are so self-conscious about the fact that she's on the phone. You want to try to be more innocent, you know, like basically you were kind of guilty like from the beginning, you know.
Right, like, I know I shouldn't be talking to you.
It's like,
and I'm in a good mood now. Every other girl can say, fuck you to me, and hey, that's fine with me. You win some, you lose some,
is
right?
what it is.
It is what it is. Oh well. I get in the video, let me get in there. What up, RG Live? I want to talk to y'all though. I like your hair.
Thank you.
That shit is swaggy.
What you doing?
Shit, I just want to talk to y'all. I didn't even know what I wanted to say. See, I got the Casamigos on deck.
Yeah.
Sure. Bet. I'm trying to see Asian doll?
No.
Yeah, I'm definitely not.
You by yourself out here?
I'm actually going to meet somebody, and I seen y'all, and I was like, oh, let me go talk to them. They seem cool. Is it weird to approach girls like out the blue like that?
You're cool. I don't like people getting my videos, though. I ain't gonna lie.
I know you. I can detect that. She was not happy about that. She was not happy. Sorry about that.
It's okay.
All right, it was nice meeting y'all, though. I'll holler at you later. Thought it was fine.
Yeah.
I really just did want to kind of say what's up. They were cool. I mean, they were leaving to either today or tomorrow, so I was like, whatever.
Yeah, whatever. Okay.
Sometimes it's nice to just talk to people. What's going on?
Hi.
What's your name?
Nice to meet you.
Real cute.
Thank you.
What you
I
doing?
got a boyfriend, so.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
All right, shit, let's network then. What do you do for a career, though? Like, anything
Model.
interesting? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You like to talk? I got a podcast.
No. What's it about?
Like, I bring on all types of people.
Okay.
I used to be a teacher, so, like, I got some of my old students on there. And then
Nice.
I want to bring on, like, school administrators, too. Because, like, the kids will be like, like, I hate school, da-da-da-da. So now I want to bring, like, people who actually make decisions in schools. Be like, oh, what do you think about that? But
That sounds good. I'm interested in podcasts, so.
Really? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm telling you, like, I record in a studio in Midtown, like, with people who are local, so.
Okay.
If you do feel like you got something to say.
That's not my thing. I don't.
No? All right, well, if you know anybody who like to talk, definitely put them my way. That's
Okay.
what Scott is.
Cool. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, Jordan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Because I was like, once she said she had a boyfriend, I'm like, shit, let's network. I bet you got friends that are single. I bet
You're like like so smooth, man.
I'm chill, yeah.
So nice.
You know, I got the social animal bug. Like, what can I say? I'm feeling myself. I've been thirsty to meet new people, honestly. Like,
so what's preventing you from meeting people?
I guess
Why
I don't.
Can't you do this on your own?
I guess I could, but
I think I'm gonna come here all the time.
That's what I'm saying. I need you to stay out here. We need to do this once a month type shit.
Kind of making a conscious effort to get out the house and maybe do things that are out of the ordinary.
What's up, brother?
A few moments later.
But no, seriously, like, how do you, like, what's the progression like? Because I don't even know. Do you do push-ups first? Like,
It's not always about the girls. Sometimes you meet some cool dudes too, like some, bro shit.
I'm training for the Olympics, like represent Jamaica and diving.
that's dope.
What's your name?
Jordan, nice to meet you, bro. Yeah, we'll definitely be in touch. This is dope. Like, I never really done the acro yoga or anything like that, neither. I need to get a partner to do it. Oh, what's that?
This your boy here?
Yeah, we just met him. How you doing? Jordan.
Pablo.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome.
Yeah, I'm your boy now, I guess.
Yeah.
Shit, fuck it.
You got you have AirDrop?
Oh, yeah, I do.
Would you mind taking the video for me? 'Cause
Hell yeah, bro.
phone-
Yeah, I got you. That shit was nice. Here we can see.
How did you get able to do something like that?
I literally just asked him.
Thank you, bro.
No problem. Actually, just saw my homie over here. He's real incognito right over here. Yeah, that's good. Good meeting y'all. I'll hit you up on Instagram.
Well, how am I supposed to meet people if I'm
Yeah,
not
like for example,
doing anything?
going to the park and talking to people doing acro yoga.
Exactly. That's the first time I've really done that.
Do you mind if I watch? I want to talk to you, but then I seen this.
When it feels uncomfortable, don't freak out. Just kind of let it happen. Don't be afraid of that awkward silence.
Are y'all from here? Here in Miami?
Chicago.
Oh, that's crazy. I'm from Aurora. You know Aurora?
What's your name?
Jordan. I'm Jordan.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, how's it going?
What's your name?
Jordan.
Jordan.
Yeah, sorry for bothering you guys. I was just
man. We're all like exploring out here.
right?
A lot of times we feel like we need to feel it and like get nervous. It's like I'm just chilling, like be genuine. That's what it is. Be genuine. Be real.
Let me follow you on Instagram. You do move
I don't
up.
have socials, but you got my number.
Even better, honestly.
Are you like a model or something? You look really like picturesque.
She models. She actually was trying to get me into modeling.
You can be good at it. I saw you. I saw you from a mile away. I was like, she's cute. I gotta talk to her.
Yeah, I appreciate it. You're sweet.
Thanks.
I know, usually it's only creepy guys who come here.
If you ever come out here, let's do this shit. Me and you.
What are you?
I'm a Virgo.
My rising is Virgo.
I'm Virgo, sun, moon, and rising.
No way.
Yeah.
So you're a Virgo.
Super Virgo.
That's just rare.
I know, right?
I think it's called like a stellium or something.
I've never heard of that.
Yeah, it's when you have like all skill that you
Damn, that's dope. Yeah. I know it was special, but stellium? Yeah, I like
Yeah.
that. Damn, we cute as fuck. What the fuck?
I know, with the palm tree in the back and shit.
Damn. Yeah, it was great meeting you.
Yeah, great meeting you
about to
too.
dip out.
Yeah, of course.
Have a safe trip.
You too. Have a nice night.
All right.
Jordan, man.
Yeah, I'm on fire, right?
I'm proud, man.
Thank you.
So smooth, so chill.
Yeah.
Cool, nice. I have nothing to say, man. It's like you're just like
Feeling good.
chilling.
Like when I first got up there, it was awkward because like she was like kind of spotting her friend. So then sometimes I was like, all right, I'm just gonna sit here in this awkward moment, like,
You
whatever.
just waited, yeah.
Yeah, I'll just
that's
wait,
great.
like, whatever.
That's good because a lot of people, when they go and talk to someone, if the person isn't like automatically like engaged and like happy, then they're like, oh, this person doesn't want to talk. But it's like no, sometimes you just have to give people the enough time to adapt as well.
Exactly. I would say hang in the pocket. Just sitting there.
Hang in the pocket.
Hang in the pocket. Just relax.
Because earlier you were like, oh, girls in Miami, they can be a bit whatever. But
Little
everyone you talk to is so nice today.
Right. They making me eat my words.
So it's your prejudice.
Yeah. Stop judging people, Jordan.
Any last words?
Thanks. Shout out to the social animal. Thanks a lot, Ruben. You the man.
I'm not social animal. We are social.
We are social animal. You're right. You're right. Yeah. The next subscriber, you know what I'm saying? Have a good time. Like, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Like, let's go. Let's have a good time.
Okay, cool. Well, thanks, Jordan. That was really cool 1 year later. So.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me back.